Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Josh Spears. This is my wife, Bridget Spears.
Hi.
I wanted to share a little bit about my background. I was born in Kentucky, born into a family of lifeguards and really just water enthusiasts. In high school, I became a lifeguard, had a great time, learned a lot, and I saw from the lifeguard chair that there was a real need for water safety and instructions in regards to parents and kids as well. I became a certified water safety instructor through the American Red Cross and continue to teach and educate parents and students for many years, over a decade now. It was during this process that I came up with my proprietary 5-step process of teaching kids how to swim. I think in life, we all have aha moments. One of them for me, I was on vacation with my family, and there was a child with his father. His father was trying to teach him how to swim, and you could see that they were both very frustrated. The child was frustrated, the father was frustrated. And so I went over to them and I said, hey, can I give you a couple pointers? And they looked at me kind of with a sigh of relief and said, absolutely. So I spent maybe 10 to 15 minutes working with them, not a whole lot of time. It was amazing to see the progress in that short amount of time. By the time they left, the kid's improvement in his kick, his ability to float on his back, which before he was scared to death, felt like he was drowning. A lot of great improvements in regards to his swimming abilities. To me, that was kind of one of those moments that, wow, if I can share this information with a parent and teach him how to teach his own son, what could you do with a course that can reach out not just individually but hundreds, maybe even thousands of people? And so that's why we've created this. We're super passionate about preventing drowning and educating people and making sure that they're enjoying water. Water's fun. I think water makes everything better. And so Bridget and I and our family have come together to create this course for you guys, to educate you, to teach you how to teach your kids, have fun, be safe, enjoy the water. I'm going to let Bridget share a little bit about her background with you now.
Hey everyone, I'm from California, and I, unlike Josh and loving the water and living around water, I actually have no water experience, and to be honest, I was super fearful of the water. And when Josh and I were dating, and just knowing that our life would involve water activities and water sports, he actually used his 5-step process to teach me how to swim, and this was before smartphones. I would do a recording of me swimming, send it off to him, he would critique it and tell me what I needed to improve. Well, very shortly after, I learned how to swim, and it eliminated my fear of the water. And later on, now we have children, and we use that same step with them. And what's awesome is that if Josh is not there, I know exactly what to do to keep up those 5 steps, to continue to teach them how to swim. And it's been awesome. And honestly, I just want to give you guys the same peace of mind that I have, that we have, by doing the 5-step process and learning how to swim. And trust me, if I can learn and I can teach it, so can you.